The Farmscraper, a hydroponic farm and skyscraper, can produce food, offer entertainment and do business at the same time. Skyscrapers with greenery above them are becoming more and more appealing. However, consider the possibility of converting these buildings into farms, adding even more natural elements to cities. The idea for the skyscraper was dubbed Farmscraper, and it would be able to feed up to 40,000 people every year. They collaborated with agricultural experts to build the system that eventually made it possible to produce fruits, herbs, and salad greens. The Farmscraper would rise 218 meters, 715 feet tall in Shenzhen, China. In addition to 51 stories of office space, the skyscraper would contain a food court, grocery, and rooftop patio area to maximize its size. Furthermore, a substantial portion of the glassed out outside of the building would be utilized for hydroponically cultivating plants, in an effort to provide a substantial harvest each year. By taking up the last vacant space in the central business district, the tower completes Shenzhen's central access skyline. The outside area of the 218-meter tall structure, or around 10,000 square meters or 107,000 square feet, is used for agricultural purposes. This vertical hydroponic farm could provide more than 300 tons of food every year, enough to meet the needs of over 40,000 people. By enabling the planting, harvesting, selling, and consumption of crops all within one structure, the tower establishes an autonomous food supply chain. The virtual agronomist, supported by artificial intelligence, will oversee the daily application of fertilizer and scheduling of irrigation on the farm. One of the area's most notable features is the array of expertly built terraces scattered with ferns, water lilies, and lychees, offering lovely gardens for office workers to relax in. Many well-kept terraces encircling the building are adorned with a range of vegetation, supporting biodiversity, such as ferns, lychee, and water lilies. The several indoor gardens housed within two-story volumes are meant to encourage well-being and social contact among office workers. There would be an abundance of vegetation covering the outside of the skyscraper. The amount of vegetation outside the structure is also meant to block sunlight gain inside, reducing the need for air conditioning. Moreover, an abundance of greenery serves to shade the interior, lowering the need for air conditioning. The tower project originated as an international competition. The tower is about sustainable agriculture and eco-friendly urban construction. Plants on the building's facade might be advantageous since they could assist in cooling the interior and reduce the need for air conditioning. The water required to irrigate the plants would come from the humidity and precipitation in the city. Farmscraper will contribute to greater food self-sufficiency by removing the need to carry food across long distances from the farm to the table. As a result, there is a reduction in energy usage and greenhouse gas emissions. The way the building's elements work together to bring nature into the city is one of its best characteristics. Double-height vertical gardens will encircle the main office space, creating the illusion that the building is in a natural environment. Heaven and earth will truly come together with indoor forests and recreation spaces, giving employees and visitors the benefits of being in nature. Vertical farming is the practice of growing food inside in tall layers, utilizing sustainable soil-less farming techniques like hydroponics or aquaponics, a closed-loop system. These farms utilize a lot less water and area than traditional agriculture. Underground or in abandoned warehouses, vertical farms are becoming more and more common in cities all over the world. Cities all across the world, including Singapore, New York, and Paris, are exhibiting small-scale urban farming. However, this tower raises it to a new level.